Ah, hello, Dr. Clif, your movement recovery specialist. Welcome to a new series I call Cubicle Fitness, where we do short workouts that can be done in your little 6-foot by 6-foot cubby hole in 5 to 10 minutes you have between conference calls. In this video, we're gonna loosen up these wrists that are all beat up from typing on the computer all day. Slide this out of the way. Now, sit nice and tall in your chair, or you can do these standing, because, sitting all day is a big issue as well. Take your right hand, stretch it out, put your other hand in front of it, grab your fingers, just pull them gently back towards you, and you'll feel it stretch in the bottom of your forearm there. Hold it for about 10 seconds. Then relax. Turn the hand in a little bit. Grab the fingers again. Pull it back the same way. Hold it for about 10 seconds again. And relax. Turn your hand the other way so it's facing out. Grab those fingers, make sure the shoulder's staying down. Don't let that shoulder come way up by your ear, pulling the fingers back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Give the hand a little bit of a shake. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So reach your left arm out. Grab those fingers, pull them back toward you. Hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Relax. Turn the hand in a little bit. Grab those fingers, pull back. Make sure that shoulder's staying down. You'll feel this stretch all on the bottom of your hand, bottom of your forearm. Relax. Turn the hand out. Grab the fingers, pull back. Oh, I can feel that one a lot. Be friendly to yourself. Just a gentle stretch, not painful. Hold it for about 5 seconds, 10 seconds. And relax. Shake that hand a little. Now we go back to the right one. Stretch it out, make a fist. Take the other hand, put it on top, and just pull it down a little bit. You'll feel it stretch all in the top here of your forearm. Hold it for about 10 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we turn it in a little bit and down, and then just pull that down and in toward your chest, sort of. Keeping the arms straight still. Keeping the shoulder down. 10 seconds there. Then relax. Turn it out. Bring it down. Hand on top, kind of pull it down a little more. You'll really feel it stretch over here on the outside of your top of your wrist. Hold it for about 10 seconds again. And relax. Shake that hand a little. Stretch the other arm out. Make sure that shoulder stays down. You don't want it up here by the ear. Point straight down. Other hand on top. Just give it a little bit of extra pressure, pulling down. Hold it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Turn it in towards the middle. Down a little. Other hand on top. Just pull it down and in a little bit so you feel it stretch on the top there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Turn it out. And then bring the fingers down, hand on top, pull it down just a little more. You'll feel that stretch all on the outside over here. Hold it. And relax. Shake that hand a little. Now, hands on the desk. This one's probably easier to do standing up, but if I stand up the whole way, you won't see my head anymore. So, I'm going to stand up anyway so you can see it. You're going to turn your hands around and try to put your palms on the table. If your wrists are real tight, this won't happen. you'll kind of be up in the air. But hands as close to the table as you can get without being painful. And then just lean forward a little bit. You'll feel a gentle stretch, or probably a pretty severe stretch for a lot of people, all on the front of your wrist there. 10 seconds. And relax. Shake them out a little bit. Now, take both hands, put them together. We're going to push real hard and turn them back and forth like we're winding a clock. So turn them down, turn them up, 5 turns like that. Pushing together. 3, 4, 5. Now, pull them apart, but they're not going to move anywhere, but just try to pull them apart. Turn 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the fingers together, push on them, and turn the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Give the arms a shake. Okay, now back to my paperwork. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. We do weekly videos that help to simplify healthcare and fitness. If you're already subscribed, don't forget to share this with a friend, or leave a comment down below that I can have other topics you would like me to do videos like this on. And remember, life is a strength sport, so get stronger and get living.